Hey everybody, my name is Mike. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Maya. And in today's video, I want to show you kind of a quick tip, right? Now, if you are brand new to Maya, then chances are you are doing repetitive tasks in a kind of cumbersome way, right? So let's say you start modeling on a cube and you want to extrude faces. Now, what you would probably do is go in here, right click, go to face, click on one of these faces, go up to edit mesh, go to extrude, click on that, and then pull out that face, right? That's kind of the long way around. Now, if you are more experienced, then you will probably right click, go to face, select it, and hit Control E as a shortcut to extrude, and then pull out a face. But there is an even cooler method, and yeah, that's kind of the topic of this video. What we're going to do is we're simply going to select the face, right? Of course you want to hit W because you want to be able to move it, but in this case we don't just want to move the face, we want to extrude it, right? So the only thing you have to do is hold down Shift when you move it. So hold down the Shift key and pull like that. Hold down the Shift key and pull. Shift key and pull. That's all there's to it. I thought it was a neat little trick. I wanted to share it with you guys, and hopefully you enjoy it, right? Thanks for hanging out, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.